Hi everyone, my name's Alex. I'm one of the CAs in the apartments, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to place a work order. So I'm going to begin by sharing my screen. We're going to be on the My Plymouth homepage. From here, we're going to go over to the Services tab, and then we're going to scroll right down to Student Work Order for Physical Plant. You're going to notice the password is Panthers, all lowercase. This is going to come up afterwards for when we submit the work order. So from here, it's going to ask you to register if you have never placed a work order before. Registering only takes a couple minutes, but since I've already registered, we're just going to click sign in. It's going to bring you to this screen where you're going to first enter your first name, last name, email, and phone number for contact information. Then we're going to go down to location. So say if you're in Merrill Place, you're going to do Merrill Place 460 residential. If you're in the apartments, you're just going to pick whatever apartment section that you are in. For the area, if you're in Merrill, you're going to do dorm room. If you're in the apartments, apartment, and then you're going to enter your room number. Step 3, this is where we're going to select the problem type. It makes it easier for physical plant to know what supplies to bring when they go over to your apartment or dorm. So from this array of options, you can select any of these that applies to the work order that you need to place. For example, today, we're just going to do furniture. Then it's going to bring us down to step 4. This is where you're going to describe your problem or request. So for example, try and be as descriptive as possible. Something like, hi, I have a broken desk chair in the top bedroom of my apartment. If someone can please come and fix it, I would really appreciate it. It's a lot better than, hi, my chair is broken. And after that, you're going to go to step 5, where you can attach a file if you wanted to take a picture of what it is that needs to be fixed. So you can just do that, submit the image, and then we're going to go back down. Once you have that, the description and everything above, you're going to do the submittal password. That's Panthers from earlier. Panthers, all lowercase. And once you do that, you're good to submit. So thank you guys for watching.